Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobster bracelet. First, gather all your materials. You'll need a few lobster clasps, some jump rings, and your favorite beads. Don't forget your jewelry pliers, specifically round nose and flat nose pliers, which are essential for this project. Also, make sure you have a good quality beading wire or cord that is both strong and flexible for durability. Now, let's start building the base of your bracelet. Begin by cutting a length of beading wire that comfortably fits your wrist, plus a few extra inches for working. Next, use your flat nose pliers to open a jump ring and attach it to one end of your beading wire. Finally, secure one of your lobster clasps to this jump ring, making sure it can open and close smoothly for easy wear. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crafting tips. Quick recommendation: just like you want your bracelet to last, you want your socks to last too. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your base ready, it's time for the fun part, adding your beads. Carefully thread each bead onto the beading wire, following your chosen design or pattern. Once all your beads are in place, take another jump ring and attach it to the remaining open end of your wire. Finally, connect this second jump ring to the lobster clasp, completing your beautiful new bracelet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.